Hey y'all, I'm Chris, and this is It Worth It, y'all? Guess what? We are gonna go keto on a cruise, and we're gonna show you how to do it. Stick around. Okay, first meal was awesome. We did the buffet, and I got some beef from the barbecue place. This was our quick lunch. We're gonna go grab a beverage and head back to the room to see if our luggage is there. So far, on point still. We can still do keto. All right, y'all, we're doing it. We're moving. Let me show you some of the ship. For you guys that have never been on a cruise, you want to talk about fun. Here, look. Let me show you the view of Miami. This is the back of our cruise ship. Check it out. Beautiful port of Miami. That's downtown Miami.
You go put this inside.
Move over here. We've got, this is where South Beach starts. See South Beach over there? And all the beautiful, expensive boats. Once a year, and I never regret it. Good times. Hey, and guess what? There's no dishes. I don't have to do dishes this week. Yay! Taking a step back, we had a lovely charcuterie board at the airport. My first appetizer for dinner was these duck egg rolls. They were so good. Next on the list was an awesome Caesar salad. Pasta was a lobster bisque linguine. Amazing. And then I had a cheese plate for dessert, and I did not eat the bread. The girls that I was with went a little bananas and got the hangries, so you can see a lot of junk food was consumed. I did my best. I only ate the pepperonis and a couple of french fries. Breakfast in the morning was eggs galore, sausage, bacon, ham, protein heavy, and it was a nice start to the day. We skipped normal lunch and just had tea time. Never done that before. Alrighty. Looks good. Is that what you got? Thank you. This Caesar salad is a staple at dinner. It's just so good, and what a great choice. I had the prime rib and green beans and broccoli for dinner and almost forgot to take a picture. It was so good. This is a raspberry panna cotta, and I did go over today because why not, right? We skipped breakfast and slept in, so I had this crazy weird mixture of a burger with no bun, some salads, some eggplant, and just kind of went bananas on lunch that day. Dinner ended up being lobsters, and I had shrimp, and I do not have a picture of. Back to my huge protein-loaded breakfast. And that cup of espresso, OMG, you want to talk about good, and had me going the rest of the day. This is debarkation day, and I just kind of wanted to give you an overview of what we ended up as our last meal on the ship. And as you can see, the food is absolutely fantastic. I think breakfast is my favorite part. And as you can see, the variety is just wonderful. And we had such a great time with the food on this trip. And for anybody worried about going on a cruise and making it through their keto diet, it is extremely simple to stay keto on a cruise. Well, y'all, I tell you what, I had an amazing time on this trip, and we'll definitely do it again next year. So, until we see you guys on the next video, bye, y'all.